Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 3, company final account of standard 12 commerce subject account. So in our last video we have seen the balances of the balance sheet and how to put it and which are the main head as well as subhead of the balance sheet. Today here we are going to see statement of profit and loss account and which are the head under which the balance will fall. Let's see illustration number 11. Illustration number 11. Under which head will you show following balances in the statement of profit and loss as per Schedule 3 of the Company Act 2013. So here some balance are given to us and we have to give under which head it will fall. So here very first head is a sales. So sales, as we know, it is the revenue and that is the revenue main income, and that's why it is called revenue from operation. So it will be fall under the revenue from operation. So very first balance is sales and it will fall revenue from operation. The second heading is salary, and salary is a salary given to the employee and it will fall under the head employee benefit expense. So the second heading, salary, employee benefit expense. The third one is interest and dividend received. As we know that interest and dividend income is not income from operation. So it is the other income that the business is getting. So it will be fall under the head other income. Will be fall under the head other income. After that, the next heading is income from scrap. So here in the business, due to the production activity, some raw material can be produced as a scrap. So that will be sold and it is not the regular income of the business. So that's why it will be fall under the other income. The next balance is given to us is a depreciation. So depreciation is the expense that is fall under the head depreciation and amortization expense. So that is a non-cash expense of the business. So that is. Now after that the another balance is telegram and postage. So telegram and postage is a other expense of a business. So it will fall under the head other expense. After that, the other balance is interest on loan. So interest on loan is interest paid of that the capital is taken from the other people to run the business. So that is treated as a finance cost of a business. After that, the other expense is bonus. So bonus is given to the employee. So it will be fall under the employee benefit expense. Afterwards, the next expense is bank charges, and bank charges will be fall under the other expense. After that, the next expense is sales expense, which is again treated as a other expense. So these are the some head. These are the some balances which supposed to be keep under the this head. Students, you may note down this. Then we will see. Then in our next video we will see the how to prepare statement of profit and loss account. Thank you for watching this video.